It's October 1st, so let's see what's new at EPCOT.
Hey guys, it's October 1st and it's EPCOT.
A very windy day.
Yes.
A very windy October.
Very windy October 1st. So we're at EPCOT. It is EPCOT and Magic Kingdom's anniversary. And we thought it fitting to go see what's new at EPCOT since they have a new area open to see all the new updates.
Yeah, the showcase is open at the Odyssey, so we're gonna go check that out. We're gonna show you some new merch, and yeah, let's go.
And a new fireworks show.
Oh yeah, forgot about that. I'm just ready, let's go.
Just ready.
There's no one in line for Spaceship Earth. Now would be a great time to ride it. Oh wow, look at this.
Colored the side of the building.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Oh well, that's gonna be something different though. They're not gonna leave it like that.
No,
or unless it's supposed to look kind of weathered. That's the approach.
Good.
I don't know. This wall.
There's gonna be a lot of construction walls, I'm thinking.
Yeah, a lot of construction walls. The wait time for Test Track is 60 minutes, and I really wanted to do this because we haven't ridden this.
It's been so long.
We haven't been on it in I don't even know how long.
Over a year.
Probably, yeah. Definitely over a year.
10 minutes. We could just do single
I do miss the old version though. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this version or do you like the old version better?
I think I like the old one better.
I do too. But I don't really feel like waiting for an hour. Here's the donut box. This is new. Well, we can't see it from over here. Let's go around. So here's the menu. I'm in the way. It's really cute.
It is cute.
Do you want something? No?
Donut ale.
Donut ale? Is that beer?
Yeah, it's beer.
Ew.
I don't know about
I don't know. That sounds kind of strange. Let's pass. Look at how pretty it looks now. They painted it. And there's a new design on the other side too, but look so great.
Yeah, they gave you like a black and gray kind of.
Ooh, and pink on the doorway. I don't think you can see it in the camera, but it's really cool. This is crazy. Do you see it? And it wraps all the way around. So here's the entrance where you normally can get food, and then they built this entire thing. This is so cool.
EPCOT's transformation includes some big changes. One has been the journey you may know well. Experiences have always represented big ideas. From nature to discovery, world culture to the celebration of humanity. It is a place full of wonders. Let's go discover them together. There's a magical new interactive trail to explore where water is alive and waiting to play.
Is ancient. It has journeyed around our world since the beginning of time. It waits to share its secrets. Come, journey with water.
We are extremely pleased and excited to be coming from our world to your Disney World. As you understand, will be the first other world showcase positions that we will present This is a critical moment.
When Rocket unplugs you and starts things.
We look forward to meeting you in person. The pavilion opens at EPCOT.
So cool. It's a ball of cheese. That's awesome.
Yeah, it was good.
As the day fades and dusk turns to night, EPCOT comes to life in a global celebration of Disney music. Where the magic of possibility awaits.
Oh, wow.
Maybe it's
Have all of this. Oh my god, look! There's Mary Poppins! Oh, that's so cool. All of these. Universe of Energy? Oh, you go ahead. Oh my gosh, I love this on the wall here. I hope they leave it like this and every country is represented. How cool. That is just so cool though. Wonders of Life. I didn't even notice that at first.
yeah.
So inside of the Odyssey, they have a place where you can get your photo made if you want to. And then they have this huge mural on the wall, which is really beautiful. And look, they have the horizons. This was my favorite ride growing up because it smelled like oranges. And you could select which scene you wanted to see. If you guys remember, let me know in the comments because this was the best ride. And I love that they have this poster up here. Here's the new paint job from this side. Looks really good. It looks a lot better than what it did look like. It was kind of that weird like 80s gold, and now they have these bright colors. And it's a beautiful day. Time to ride Spaceship Earth. Here we go, 5-minute wait. Are you excited, Matt?
It's my favorite ride.
It's your favorite ride.
I love it.
All right, do you guys want to be a part of the picture?
Good.
There we go.
The future.
Sad designs and unfortunately it turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East. In 1860s, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press.
Alright, what are you most interested in, Matt?
Duh.
Leisure? What sounds like more fun? Under the sea or outer space? Outer space. What type of person are you? Oh, you... yeah. Hey, here we go.
Welcome to the future.
Where? Oh, they didn't get the camera.
Nice.
But they didn't get the camera in the shot. Sorry, guys.
You didn't put it in front of your face.
Man, it's the craziest feeling when you go into a ride and it's daylight and you come outside and
Not so much.
it's dark. Here's some of the new EPCOT merch. Look how cute. And the new, so they have the new logo on this notebook and this new symbol. That's really cute. Look at the other side of it. Does it say, oh no, this one says EPCOT and the new logo, limit 2 per guest. Look at the sky right now.
That's so cool.
Looks so beautiful. And the Odyssey looks really pretty at night with the new paint job. Okay, so I think we got a good spot for EPCOT Forever. It's the debut night, so it's a little bit crazy here, but I'm really excited.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
One little smile. Lights up for you.
pictures is making memories, catching little pieces of time.
We just finished watching EPCOT Forever, and what did you think?
I liked it a lot.
I did too. I thought it was really cool.
I liked how they had the kites flying around that were lit up.
Yeah.
That was really cool. And they're all in boats. I mean, you can probably tell.
Oh,
But
I
they
didn't
were
know
on
that. I can't
speedboats
see.
flying
It's
around.
too short. It just looked like they were flying to me.
Yeah, it was really well done.
It was really cool. I think it's like only going to be going on from now until the beginning of the year.
February, I think,
Okay.
is when the new show starts.
Yeah, so it's not the official show.
Yeah, this is the in-between.
But I love how they played tribute to Imagination. They played tribute to Veggie Fruit, the Kitchen Cabernet, which was amazing. And Soren, like so many cool things that and Walt Disney had a quote. They had
Yeah,
like
I
him
like
saying
that.
something about EPCOT, which was really
Yeah.
nice. I liked it. I really liked it a lot. I thought
I think
it
they
was
did a great job, and it was people were clapping and cheering, and yeah, it was well done.
It was so cool. So if you have a chance to come and see it, I highly recommend checking it out because it was really fun.
Yeah.
And it was about 12 minutes.
Yeah, 12
So it's
minutes
kind of-
exactly.
I think 12 minutes is a good. I think
12's a good time.
That felt about right.
It felt long, like
Yeah.
not in a bad way, but
Yeah.
it felt like it was done really well.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hanging out with us today for the official anniversary of EPCOT. But yeah, thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye guys.